We're starting with working on your breath. Place one hand over your heart and the other hand on your ribs. And as you inhale, for a count of 4, feel your ribs expand and your chest lift. Then after a few breaths, you'll switch hands so you can feel the other side of your rib cage expanding into your hand. Now in this video, I do about 4 breaths, but please take your time on your own and do 4 to 8 using the breath cycle of inhaling for 6, hold for 4, and exhale for 8 counts. And then next, you're going to place your hands on your lower belly and feel your belly expand as you inhale and return to rest as you exhale. And you can stay here as long as you like, but now I'm going to demonstrate a side body stretch. So you're going to fold your pillow or roll up a blanket, and you want that in your side body under your ribs, and you want your head supported. I used my arm, but you can use a pillow too. And then as you lift your arm up over your head, you're going to take a big inhale, feel your rib cage expand, and then exhale as you bring your arm back down to your side. So let's do this about 4 times. And you should feel relaxed and supported in this position. So now let's switch to the other side. Pillow is going to be in the same position, under your ribs, kind of on your waist. It should feel like it is facilitating a greater stretch. And so big inhale as you reach your arm up and over, and then exhale as you bring your arm down. Big inhale as you reach your arm over, and exhale as your arm comes down by your side. So now we're going to practice breathing in a deep squat. So using a chair for support, inhale as you go down into the squat, and then exhale as you come up. Or you can hang out in this deep squat and just take a few breaths here and really focus on your pelvic floor relaxing, and you may even feel it relax while you're in a deep squat. Let's do this about 4 or 5 times, and then we're all done for today.